What makes this bike special is the combination of classic design and raw power. This Knucklehead engine delivers unmatched high torque and reliability.
Hello riders, the channel dedicated to everything on two wheels. Today's deep dive takes you into one of the most anticipated retro modern machines ever revived by Harley Davidson, the 2026 Harley Davidson Knucklehead, a legendary name from the 1930s, reborn for the modern era with advanced engineering, refined craftsmanship, and a spirit that pays tribute to a motorcycle that helped shape American riding culture. A legend reborn. The Knucklehead name holds a powerful place in Harley's history. Originally introduced in 1936, it represented a milestone in American V-twin design. The 2026 revival keeps the soul of the original, exposed fins, iconic rocker boxes, and a mechanical rawness, yet brings it forward with cutting-edge technology. It's not just a retro bike. It's a bridge between eras, designed for riders who want both vintage emotion and modern capability. Design inspired by the past. The styling of the 2026 Knucklehead is unmistakably heritage-driven. The teardrop tank carries hand-applied pinstripes, while the fenders follow classic lines with a slightly modern contour. The frame retains a rigid frame silhouette, but beneath the surface lies a refined softtail suspension system hidden from plain sight. Harley focused on maintaining the visual authenticity of the 1930s era, while ensuring comfort and performance meet today's expectations. The chrome detailing, spoked wheels, and round LED headlamp deliver a perfect blend of nostalgia and functionality. The ergonomics follow a relaxed cruiser profile, making the machine equally suited for long boulevard cruises and comfortable highway riding. Engine, classic character with modern muscle. At the heart of the 2026 Knucklehead is a re-engineered Milwaukee Knuckle V-twin, a modern reinterpretation of the original Knucklehead engine. It features updated internals, electronic fuel injection, liquid air hybrid cooling, and a refined combustion system to meet today's performance and emission standards. Despite these modern enhancements, Harley preserved the unique exhaust note, rhythmic pulse, and the unmistakable mechanical charm that Knucklehead fans adore. The engine delivers smooth low-end torque, making the riding experience both powerful and deeply nostalgic. Riding dynamics and modern features. Harley Davidson engineered the 2026 Knucklehead to feel timeless yet ride like a premium modern cruiser. The updated chassis provides improved rigidity, while the suspension absorbs bumps with surprising finesse for a retro-style motorcycle. The braking system features dual front discs with ABS, ensuring confident stopping power without compromising the classic look. Modern technology is subtly integrated. A minimalist digital display is tucked behind the classic-style speedometer. Ride modes, traction control, and cruise control come standard, ensuring the Knucklehead fits seamlessly into the expectations of today's riders while maintaining the vintage aesthetic. Craftsmanship and build quality. The 2026 Knucklehead is as much a collectible piece of art as it is a performance machine. Each component, from the polished engine casings to the leather saddle stitching, is crafted with premium materials and meticulous attention to detail. Harley's goal was to give riders a motorcycle that feels timeless and genuine, not retro for the sake of trend, but retro as an authentic expression of Harley's heritage. Who is this bike for? The revived Knucklehead is crafted for riders who appreciate tradition and one machine that stands out with nostalgic charm. It appeals to collectors, custom culture enthusiasts, and riders looking for a motorcycle that blends the past with the present. Although modernized, the Knucklehead delivers a riding experience rooted deeply in Harley's earliest identity. Conclusion: the 2026 Harley Davidson Knucklehead isn't just a motorcycle. It's a celebration of history, rebellion, and craftsmanship. Harley has managed to respect the legacy of the original 1930s icon while equipping it with everything needed for today's riding world. It's a motorcycle for those who want soul, sound, and style wrapped in modern reliability. Thank you for watching this detailed look at the legendary 2026 Harley Davidson Knucklehead. Stay tuned to BikeSphere for more reviews, insights, and deep dives into the world of